Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Vaibhav Patil. Today we are going to learn a new topic, rhyme and rhyme scheme. This topic is very easy and important in the poetry section of standard 9th and 10th. Let us learn it in details. Friends, for better understanding of rhyme scheme, we need to know about rhyme. Rhyme is the repetition of a same sound at the end of words or at the end of poetic lines. For example, red bed, funny bunny, insult consult. Friends, there are three types of rhymes: end rhyme, internal rhyme, and near rhyme. Friends, what is end rhyme? End rhyme is a rhyme where rhyme occurs at the end of poetic lines. For example, look at these poetic lines. Roses are treat, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Look at the ending words or ending sounds of these poetic lines. Treat rhymes with sweet and blue rhymes with you. So, this is an example of end rhyme. Now let us move towards second type, internal rhyme. Internal rhyme is a rhyme where rhyme occurs within the same poetic line. For example, I remember it was in the bleak December. Look at the highlighted words remember and December. Both these rhyming words occur within the same poetic line. So this is an example of internal rhyme. And now let us move towards third type, near rhyme. Near rhyme involves the sounds that are similar but not exactly same. For example, you have learned the poem in standard 9th, Hope is the thing with feathers. Remember the first stanza. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Look at the highlighted words in second and fourth line of this stanza. Soul, all. Both these words are similar in sound, but the sound of these words is not exactly same. So this is an example of near rhyme. Now let us move towards the second part of this video, rhyme scheme or rhyming pattern. Rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes occurring at the end of each poetic line. We label rhyme scheme using alphabets A, B, C, D, etc. For example, look at the given stanza. I'll read it. I'm chilling in this place. Look me in my face. I'm winning this race. You just disagree. I try not to boast, but I'm hotter than toast. Now look at the ending words or ending sound of each poetic line. I'm reading it. Place, face, race, and disagree. These are the four ending words which are having the similar sound. So we have labeled it as A. And now look at the ending words of last two lines, boast and toast. Both these words are having the similar sound. So we have referred them as B. Now, why we have referred it as B? Because this sound is new for us in the given stanza and this sound is different than the previous sound. So we have referred it with the new alphabet and that is B. So the rhyming scheme or rhyme pattern of this stanza is A, B, B. Let us see few examples of various rhyme schemes or rhyming patterns. But before moving on, I would like to clarify you one thing. For standard 9th and 10th, they will not ask you to write the definition or types of rhyme scheme in your examination. They will simply ask you to write the rhyme scheme or rhyming pattern of each stanza of the given poem while writing the answer of appreciation of the poem. Now look at the given stanza. I'll read it. My cat is nice. My cat likes mice. My cat is fat. I like my cat. Now look at the ending words or ending sounds of each poetic line. Nice, mice. These words are having the same sound, so we have labeled it with the same alphabet and that is A. Now look at the ending words or ending sounds of last two lines. Fat, cat. These words are also having the same sound, but this sound is different than the previous sound. Therefore, we have labeled it with the new alphabet, and that is B. So the rhyming pattern or rhyme scheme of this stanza is AABB. Let us see another example. My cat is nice, my cat is fat, my cat likes mice, I like my cat. Now look at the ending words or ending sounds of each poetic line. Nice, fat, mice, cat. Nice rhymes with mice, so both the lines are labeled with A, and fat rhymes with cat, so both the lines are labeled with B. So the rhyme scheme or rhyming pattern of this stanza is ABAB. Then next is my cat is grey, my cat is fat, my cat is cute, I like my cat. Now look at the ending words of each poetic lines: grey, fat, cute and cat. The ending words of second and fourth line are having the same sound, so we have labeled them with the same alphabet, and that is B. The first and third lines are different than these lines, so we have labeled them with the another alphabets, and that is A and C. So the rhyme scheme or rhyming pattern of this stanza is ABCB. Next example is friendship is wonderful, friendship is grand when we go through life hand in hand. Friendship is trust, friendship is lovely heart when we go through life never apart. Look at the ending words of each poetic lines: wonderful, grand, hand, trust, heart, apart. We have labeled first line wonderful with A. We have labeled second line grand with B. We have labeled third line hand with B because the sound of hand matches with the ending sound of previous line grand. Next is trust, we have labeled it with C. Then next is heart, we have labeled it with D, and the last is apart, we have labeled it with also D because the sound of apart matches with the heart. So the rhyming scheme or rhyming pattern of this stanza is ABBCDD. Friends, not every poem follows a particular rhyme scheme or a particular rhyming pattern. There are few poems in your textbooks that do not follow any particular rhyme scheme or any particular rhyming pattern. These kind of poems are called as free verses or free verse poems. See this example. In winter, all the singing is in the tops of the trees where the wind bird. Now look at the ending words of all these poetic lines: winter, in, trees, birds. These words or these sounds do not follow any particular pattern. So this stanza is an example of free verse poem or free verse stanza. Complete the following exercise and message me in case of doubts. Friends, if you like my video, hit the like button, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.